All right, what's good, everybody? Michael Alder here from rawlandinvestments.com. We're on the back end of the website here. We got to do some updates. We got some new deals and some deals sold. So I want to add some of these in while you're here with me. You can see how we do this, what we have available, and what's sold, so we could update it with new inventory. So we have a bunch of these Florida parcels. Actually, we're going to add a couple more real quick. So we got the easiest way to do that, since I have so many. We're just going to go ahead and copy this within lead pages here. And this is from a bundle I had picked up, so we're just going to go ahead and list all these at the same price, 25 down, 25 a month for 24 months. They have a lot of back taxes owed on them, so that's why we're going to go ahead and set them up under those terms. Just nice, easy deal. If you want a great wholesale deal, you can leverage those financing terms. So let's go ahead and grab a widget. A little space. Drag over a line. That could have been misinterpreted for something, huh? Alrighty, let's get down to business here. So I'm going to go click on this little template. We're going to move the picture over to the left. That's just how I like to set mine up. I'm going to get the text in here. Delete this out. Paste in the template. This next parcel is actually 0.18 acres as well. Obviously, the APN number is going to be different on this one. So this one is 1210. We got 1024 4075 2640 we got 0020. Alright, boom, that's done. And this one is in Fredericktown. Change it to Unit 16. Lot 2. Alright, now we're going to grab an image. We're going to grab a typical image of Putnam County, Florida here. I'm going to go to page 3 where we have those saved. Grab that pic. Insert that. Boom. Update on the site. Now all we have to do is grab a Buy It Now button. In case someone is interested in this parcel, they're just going to be able to click on that and check right out. So I'm going to go back over here, grab a button. I'm going to change the style of the button. So look at this, we're getting an education on both of this. You get a deal on land, and if you want to know how to update and build websites, simple websites, this is all it takes. So you got Buy It Now, and then the only other thing I have to do, which I'm not going to do on this video, but for the button here, I just have to paste in the checkout code, which I use MoonClerk for. So I go ahead and use this, add an external URL, I'll paste the code in there, I'll press save, and that'll be good to go. Now, we need to do some updates here because we sold a bunch of stuff. We have new things coming in. So Lafayette County there, we just sold the last one today. So we're going to get that out of there. We're going to get rid of the buy now button, but I have more of those coming in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste a headline in under there. I'm just going to let any potential clients know. We have more coming soon. So we're good there. Here's our little opt-in box if people are looking for deals on land. Get email updates on whatever we have for sale. I'm going to update some of these, change the pricing around because terms need to be updated on those. Here's our land flipping formula here. This is if you want to get into the land investing business and not just hold in your portfolio, but go ahead and make money from raw land. That's our program there. It's a video series. It's only $25, digital download. You check out right there and you're good to go. We have some deals in Apache, Arizona, Navajo. We got a couple 2.5 acre lots, Cochise. Now this one has just sold as well. So we're going to get this out of here. But same scenario, I have more of these coming in. So rather than delete that header, we're just going to add a backup headline to it. Let potential clients know. Boom. So there we have it. And then all we have to do, click that update button. And there it is. We're good to go. So here's the deal. Over at Raw Land Investments, we want to be the #1 seller finance wholesaler in the marketplace there, which means we're going to update, as of this recording, change all of our deals to 25 down, 25 a month. Obviously, the length of term is going to vary because of just price points and the size of parcel and things like that. But, you know, like we saw at the top there, you could get these wholesale Florida lots. Crazy cheap, 25 down, 25 a month, 24 months. You have to assume the back taxes, and I'm glad we actually just covered that because I do need to make that bold so nobody has any surprises when they're shopping my parcels here. So let's go ahead. Let's get this header a little bit nicer. We're going to highlight that. Make that nice and red. Want to make it bold as well. That way there's never any surprise. People want to know what the terms are. Have it smack them right in the face so they know what they're getting into. I'm going to make that, we'll do purple there. Let's make it bold. Bam. There we go. Good to go. So we'll update it once again. So yeah, here's the deal. If you want to invest in raw land, we want to be the #1 seller finance provider out there. So 25 down, 25 a month for X number of months. You could own and explode a real estate portfolio with that. Now, if you want to learn the software we use to do this, you could stop by and check out our land flipping formula. And, you know, you could actually turn this into cash flow. You know, buy them off of us for 25 a month and then remarket them for 50 to 100 down, 50 to 75 a month. That's what a lot of the wholesalers are doing. I want to be in the wholesale market. So that's why I focus on just cheap, easy deals for investors that want to build a massive portfolio and investors that want to flip properties for profits. I want to, you know, target both and be the #1 player in that marketplace. And if you're just looking to build a e-com business, how to create these websites and drive traffic to them, you know, feel free to shoot me a text. There's my number right there. Text me at 440-678-1147. I look forward to connecting with you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.